everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have friend mail, which is super exciting because I do not get friend mail very often, so I'm super happy. I received this a couple days ago. It's from Melissa McCartney. I, during the DP-a-thon, gave a donation to St. Jude's Children's Hospital, and this is my little thank you for that. Beautiful card. You do so well. And oh my goodness, it says thank you so much for your donation to the kids and all your support. I can't express how much it's appreciated. I hope you enjoy the stickers. So I want to go through these one at a time. So this one says, this sticker saves lives, and it is the St. Jude's wonderful logo. This one, all hail the pickles. Yep. This one is, find your people, then stalk them till they are your friends. Well, I don't do very good stalking. Ooh, Troll Patrol. Love this one. Thank you so much, Marissa. I am blue in a couple people's lives, so that's awesome. Don't feed the monsters. That is so true. I talk about in therapy all the time about distorted thinking and not letting it really take you away. It's a DAC tornado. This is definitely me. In the background you can see I'm working on a DAC Think of Me. I was doing a double-sided adhesive Victoria's Moon, and I had to stop before I was halfway done and switch back over because I missed my poured glue. Bring your own depends. Oh my gosh, I almost peed my pants today multiple times watching you guys. So absolutely, definitely bring your own depends, BYOD. Ooh, let's feed some hamsters. I know, with YouTube, Wi-Fi, data, internet issues, definitely someone feed the hamsters. Side effects may include shortness of breath, gasping, or wheezing. I remember the night that DAC put a link for fun for a free inhaler that comes in your toolkit. That would be so cute if they added stickers as an inside joke for that. Here's Do You Boo Boo? Don't judge me. Exactly. And these I saved my last two favorites, or my favorites for the last two. Save the diabetic turtles. Amen. And keep calm and smash potatoes. I need a t-shirt with that. I was supposed to get a Wendy's baked potato tonight, people, but I did not because the line was way too long, and my child needed to eat before midnight. So my husband came home and we had like the quick pop something in the microwave dinner. But keep calm and smash potatoes. If you want to hear the whole story about why that is so funny and the inside joke to a whole bunch of these, please continue to subscribe, like my channel, and be part of the community because we love you and we love making jokes with you and just having a great time and laughing together. So thank you so much, Marissa. You are such a sweetheart. I'm so glad I could help support the cause. These stickers are amazing. I'm going to figure out great places to put them. And you guys, please come drill with me. Think of me. Diamond Art Club. So I love you all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and yeah, until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.